Hey, what's up? This is Miss Dinadee here. Thank you so much for clicking to my video. So today I'm just going to show you how I create this hairstyle. So it's a simple and easy tutorial. This hairstyle you can take to wedding, parties, or anything really. So if you like what you see, please keep watching, and please subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, so my hair is ready to style, and I'm starting out with an old twist out, but you can also do this with a straight or blow dried hair. And now I'm just gonna separate this section, the side section, so that I can flat twist my hair. Just make sure that it is detangled, and just separate that section into very small sections so that you can flat twist. I'm just going to do about 4 sections and flat twist them. Alright you guys, so I am done. This is the first style. You can wear your hair like this if you feel like being casual, and I wear my hair like this all the time. It's so pretty in summer. You can just let your hair free. And now you just for the second style, I'm just going to twist this section. Just do it in a one big twist and just put it on top of the hair. I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin. And this is very pretty as well. This is another style that you can wear. And if you feel like it, if you feel like being more formal, you can use some bridal pins. And that's what I'm gonna do here at the top of my hair on that twist. That's it. Okay, so now you can just go even further by doing an up bun. Or ponytail, whichever you feel like. And that's another style. This one you can wear for any occasions. So I'm just gonna secure the back with a bobby pin. And lastly, you can do a little updo. Just do a little bun there. Just make sure you secure it with bobby pins all around. And that's it. Yeah, and make sure to wash the back just to make sure that it's very neat. Yeah, and that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you would want to wear this, and if you create this, let me know at the comment section. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. There will be video every week, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.